money tree. Unbutton your pantaloons, hitch up your dungarees, get your legs a lovely face, I bet you've got lovely knees. And now the mysteries of life, the keys to all your worries is to keep it simplified. Don't stuff the place that you reside with too much stuff, all buried under debt, have too much love. It's a world of wonder, don't let them keep you undermined. Everyday drip of joy, written, bold, underlined. We the undivided, undecided and the undefined demand a sense of wonder and the sense to wonder why. Keep your work days to a minimum, make a life as sweet as cinnamon. This is a new hat, would you like to wear it? What's the point of sunshine unless you share it? Overcrowded head like Noah's Ark. The mind is a monkey, oh no, don't start. Can't keep it together, I've grown apart. Life is a laugh when you've got the joke. Get yourself together, get on with the show. Onwards we go, on to new adventures. The best ones I've known, I can barely remember. Weave in passions, reimagine. Breathe in sea air, believe in magic. This is me, you, an amazing spread. And a slice of cake as big as a baby's head. A cartoon hummingbird, edible trees, a packet of crackers, legendary cheese, a lazy afternoon, a leisurely breeze. Strap on your swimming hat, let's head for the sea.